नमस्कार। आज हम बीएससी पार्ट थर्ड ईयर के एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री में एम्प्रोमेटिक टाइट्रेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। इससे फर्स्ट क्लास में हमने देखा कि एम्प्रोमेटिक टाइट्रेशन का प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है। आज हम उसको एक एग्जाम्पल लेकर समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। हम देखते हैं कि एम्प्रोमेटिक टाइट्रेशन विच हैव वाइडली been studied are whose based on formation of precipitation of low solubility of slightly ionization complexes. The titration based on oxidation, reduction and neutralization reaction have received less alternation. The principle of aromatic titration may be consideration the titration of Pb plus 2 ion. The polography wave of Pb plus 2 ion is shown in figure first. This wave is obtained by using the electrode system consisting of dropping mercury electron, indicator electron and a saturated calomel electrode as reference electrode. The polography wave is due to reaction of Pb plus 2 ion acting as depolarization on the indicator electron is suitable supporting electrolyte. If the external EMF is greater than that represented by a point A. In figure, the current will remaining constant as long as EMF does not exceed this value at which further depolarization of electrode take place because of presence of any other substance in the solution that will take place at a voltage corresponding to point B. The current is directly proportional to the concentration of electroactive substance over the potential range between A and B. Now consider the titration of polygram solution Pb plus 2 salt by adding a reagent such as sulfate or oxalate which form a precipitate of low solubility with Pb plus 2 ion and which is not reduced on the dropping mercury electrode at a potential within the range respectively. The point A and B at the same time a constant potential have a value within this range is applied to dropping mercury electrode. When sulfate or oxalate ion are added to solution, Pb plus 2 ion decrease linearly with the decreasing case in concentration of Pb plus 2 ion participate PPT बन जाएगा form the solution and limiting current due to Pb plus 2 ion decrease linearly with the decreasing in concentration of Pb plus 2 ion in solution. At the equivalence point, the current decreasing to the zero and it does not change on addition of further amount of the titrant because the titrant is not resolved at the dropping mercury electron. It applied potential in this figure. This is fact of polographic titration. In aromatic titration, the titration may be shown graphically by plotting an ordinary axis volume of current and the वॉल्यूम ऑफ टाइट्रेट एडेड। यह हमने देखा कि यदि हम Pb प्लस 2 किसी सॉल्यूशन के लिए हम करंट और वोल्टेज में ग्राफ खींचते हैं तो वह इस तरह का प्राप्त होता है। यदि हम इस सॉल्यूशन में Pb+2 आयन के सॉल्यूशन में हम यदि ऑक्सलेट और सल्फेट मिला दिया जाए तो ऑक्सलेट और सल्फेट और ऑक्सलेट Pb+2 कंसंट्रेशन को घटाता चला जाएगा और यह Id का मान कम होता जाएगा और एक पॉइंट पर हमें इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट या एंड पॉइंट प्राप्त हो जाएगा। यह हमने Pb और ऑक्सलेट या सल्फेट का एग्जाम्पल लेके एम्ब्रोमेटिक टाइट्रेशन के प्रिंसिपल को समझा। नमस्कार।